Ai kopakino na Apiyai kangun nejasi Aboliak luka she legends nisndai ejamu nebe ebuni ai keun adoketat na Aboliana kanetibo koteso Michael Erebu Arucho Kiniton Angoran ko she legends netball club nges elakanarebe alomnaka Lieutenant General Peter Elwelu Aigang 80 mungol nesi erai ni tegelkina kanu club kangol.
So what happened is General Elwelu promised and pledged to support the legends with the 300,000, but right now he has put 500,000 to support the netball team of the She Legends.
She Legends Netball Club nesi Ediopate kotoma okilabun luka netball luda ite kirit teso Jamila Wiza adiwe kotoma Aboliak luko She Legends Netball Club nesi epolala kanar kanu agangat kangin
ayalama ngonoi dabingo kede etau ne yalama anwe general I fulfilling ake kirona koje to bungeso limoki so o stadium when we are having a friendly match kede UPDF whereby potusa nomate UPDF and because of that abungeso anyibeja itene team legends we are like veterans but still jaiso form sayalama ngono e general yata kijedeke aparashanu ipu then you continue even supporting us in the future yalama noi de yalama sirereng jedeke
Usman Mathel likopari Apiyai ngun ni ajasi Aboliak ngesi lipit Aboliak ainebe itosomaete Apiyai ngun kanu aikiuntor Atalantan.
We were promised to be given something by General Peter Elwelu. So today he has fulfilled it and we are very happy that our General has given us what he promised us. And we pray that in the future, if we come to him, he has to give us a hand.
Morris Achimo, a captain ako She Legends Netball Club nise balebe Apiyai ngun nisda ekapakina kesi aitosom kanu agwelia ibolia eta
yalama sonna biko stawani yalama noi anwa ejawni kapun anejai General Elwelu say yalama noi kapunu lulu Agweli uniforms, Agweli Mpirana.
Emmanuel Opio, etutolo ko She Legends Netball Club, nesi tijina tebe, club nesi ibuna itekit noi, Agweli naka iguenelu uboliaz, kano etimu.
Kapunu ngunu, bunsa boykini kapo, bunsa alemunu iborle betizo saito sama ikapunu ngunu.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.